Hello, and welcome to this episode of In the Spotlight, the series where we take a look at developments that are set to revolutionize practice and improve the quality of healthcare. Today, we're focusing on DrugLog, both the original device and some new developments that should expand the number of ways it can be used, all geared to improving the quality of injectable drugs, as the basic product was. In this interview, I'm talking to Mats Högberg, the CEO of Pharmacolog AB, the Swedish company that makes DrugLog. So, Mr. Högberg, please, could you start by introducing yourself?
My name is Mats Högberg. I'm the CEO of Pharmacolog AB, an Uppsala-based company.
Can you tell us a bit about Pharmacolog AB and its area of expertise, and perhaps give us a quick overview of the products?
Absolutely. Pharmacolog was founded about 2007 with the ambition to actually improve medication safety. The founders have a background in radiation oncology, where they have seen quite a tremendous development in the way radiation is delivered to patients now with the accuracy. They did not see the same level of, let's say, quality control in the field of medical oncology. So they set out on the quest to develop easy-to-use tools that could verify chemo compounding before they were provided to the patient, making sure that they got the right drug at the right concentration. And that's how it all started, basically. Right now we have 3 products. It started first over with the DrugLog, which is basically a device where you can take a small sample of the medication that you have prepared, and the device will confirm that the medication has is made of the right drug and have the right concentration, and it only takes a few seconds to give you that certainty.
Let's start by looking at DrugLog in a bit more detail. What is DrugLog and what does it do?
DrugLog is a device based on light absorption spectroscopy that provides a very quick verification of a prepared medical drug. So it basically is during the preparation or the reconstitution, the compounding of the drug or the medication, you take a small sample, 0.3 to 0.5 ml of that solution. You place that in a cuvette that is being placed in the device, and in 2 to 5 seconds you have the response from the device that will tell you and confirm that the medication you are prepared is correct. It will also indicate if it is the correct drug, but the concentration may be outside the tolerances. And it's very quick, very robust. We have done several scientific tests and studies on this to ensure that it's accurate and it provides reliable measurements.
Mm-hmm. Why is this of interest? Surely healthcare personnel already have safe systems of working.
Oh yes, everyone, they do a tremendous job today as it is. However, looking throughout the markets, there is today no easy to use system for quality control, i.e. you actually check what you have prepared. I mean, today in hospital pharmacies, you work with quality assurance, meaning that you have an established process with which you follow to ensure that you don't miss any steps. You could have people, you can have double control, you could have cameras looking at monitoring the process. All of this is quality assurance. What is sometimes missing is the real quality control, actually to check the final product. Today in GMP and the European authorities look more and more as the preparations that have been done at the hospital pharmacy to in a similar way to pharma production, i.e. you need a quality control step. That is what we provide with the DrugLog device, an easy way to make sure that the end product that you have prepared is correct.
Could you give us an example of how this is used in practice?
There are three main areas, actually, or 3.5 in a way. It's when you talk about compounding, of course, and then we differ between toxic and non-toxic. Toxic is typically performed at the hospital pharmacy, where you have specific rules and you have a process. Non-toxic is prepared at the ward, and we could help both those processes. The second is in robot verification. We have customers who have acquired a DrugLog device and using it to confirm that their compounding robot is behaving consistently. So every morning when they start up the robot, they check that actually it know that 10 ml is still 10 ml and so on. And by having the robot prepare a certain paracetamol or something else, and then they verify the concentration with DrugLog. So that's the second. The third is also DrugLog is being used in batch production. When you, for example, a hospital pharmacy do produce batches of insulin bags, and you want to do quality control of that, you can use DrugLog, and it's being used today throughout in several places in Europe for this particular type of verification when you do batch production. So those are the three main areas.
Mm-hmm. Can I just check? Does toxic mean cytotoxic drugs, anti-cancer drugs, that sort of thing?
We have most of our customers in Europe are using our products to verify chemo compounding. And the good thing is you can do it in the same process as you prepare. So it's a serial process. You check the bag before you ship it off to the hospital ward. And the good thing is also that you do not open the bag after it's been sealed. That is not a way that is accepted. So basically you take your sample while preparing the bag, meaning that once it's being sealed, it won't be open until it comes to the patient.
Right. So that means there's no danger of spillage or environmental contamination either?
No.
Excellent.
That's correct.